Ever wondered why you snore? It's not just noise. It's your body struggling to breathe. When you sleep, your throat muscles relax. That blocks your airway, causing your tongue and tissues to vibrate. That's the snoring sound. But here's the scary part. Constant snoring can mean sleep apnea, where your breathing stops for seconds, over and over, sometimes hundreds of times a night. So if you snore every night, it's not funny, it's dangerous. Hit like if you learned something new, and subscribe before your next snore becomes your last.